Yeah, this kitty mouse bad.
Kitty 毛牌
Meow meow.
Kitty 秒拍
Meow meow, so cute.
Alright, yalla!
Right. Yalla, let's
Moving.
do it.
อย่าลีเลกีเลกี
Gotta get to Charlie. Gotta get to Charlie. Ugh, I don't like that. There we go. Jeez. Right.
Got one. Shit, Randy.
What?
Honeybee consumers on.
No way?
No
way?
Yeah.
Holy
Yeah, he's
crap,
here.
dude.
He's here.
A small world.
Small world.
Wow.
I wonder if he's gonna remember you.
Honeybee? Baby? You came back for me?
Of course.
Where's Honeybee?
Honeybee! Honeybee, come out.
Where is he?
I don't know. Honeybee. Honeybee. Baby.
He snuck up on me.
Fuck.
Okay,
Oh, well.
check your equipment.
I don't know.
Let's go then, come on!
I don't know where that guy is.
Yeah. Oh, whatever. We can have fun.
Wait! Hold on! Give up! Hey! Let the smoke spread! There's a Steve! Damn it!
Let's get these guys.
Ah, Jesus.
Yeah, cannot see.
How was he?
Another team that won't stop talking.
Oh, there he is.
There he
Close it
is.
off on
There
you.
he is.
Honeybee, baby. I missed you.
Alright, let's go!
Hey, Honeybee.
Okay!
Who are you? Hi, Honeybee.
Let's try to play the game.
Yeah, come on. Now, make sure everyone, when Honeybee says calm silence, that means calm silence, everyone. Because Honeybee needs to focus. I don't know if anyone anyone can even hear me or not.
Okay, guys, let's go.
I'm pretty sure if I get hit.
Ouch.
Oh.
Hey, guys. Get on C, okay?
Coming, friend.
Okay.
I'm coming.
Fuck you, Honeybee.
No, I died.
Fuck you, cocksucker.
That's okay. We can stop
And
to
the
it.
bee has its bite.
The bee has lost its sting. $5 says they're downstairs.
This guy on the second floor.
No. I heard that. That was funny.
Yeah, he's downstairs in the basement.
Second floor.
Told you.
Check your weapons! Hey, this should be fine, right?
You know, this is Honeybee Chronicles Part 3 or 4 now. Wait, no, this is 4. Honeybee Chronicles Part 4.
Really?
Fuck! Friendly down!
Empty now.
Jesus, I saw him like right. Ugh. That sucks. That was weird. This guy took the same lane that I was gonna take, and he's just standing there.
Unfortunate.
Ugh, that was weird. And of course, he has the sass, so. You ripped through me like.
Oh my gosh, there's I got C, okay?
Dude, Command Core's funny.
We have two stupids.
Move to their position! Let's get them!
You calling Command Core stupid?
Hey, he's pretty cool.
No,
I guess.
Command Core's cool, man. He's just like, hey guys, hey, it's me. Come on,
Enemy to the
come on, play
Yeah.
the game.
God.
Play the game, guys. Come on.
Guys,
Fucking
what's...
didn't.
Guys, about D, because defend me.
Pass
on
it,
you.
Go fuck yourself.
Hi.
Hi. You're so
Yeah,
cute.
that's
I
it.
love you.
Wait.
Okay.
Wait. There's another guy with me. There's another guy with me, though. He's gonna kill you. No,
I don't know where they are.
Wait. Are you downstairs? In here?
Ah!
I think I'm in the wrong.
No!
Oh, yeah. I'm getting closer to you.
What
Oh,
the
yeah, you're right here. Yeah. What's up?
Guys, fall down this
Just
basement.
How do I just proximity jet?
Let's go!
Guys, fall down empty.
But there's like every guy on our team is over like 249.
What you guys talking about?
I feel like he's gonna kill me.
Balls. You look my balls.
What's up? Yo, come in here. He needs to learn about shrimp burgers. Yo, I'm gonna tell you about shrimp burgers. You ever had them?
Why are my
My
bullets
God,
not doing
we're
any
getting
damage?
bombed.
What the hell?
Dude, they're the best thing ever. Yo, there's another enemy. Promise you won't kill me. Can I kill that guy? Permission to kill that guy?
Granted.
Oh, fuck. I feel so slimy. Yeah. Yeah. I think I hear another guy. Sorry. I don't think I have a. Oh yeah, look at my knife. My knife is so much cooler.
Okay, I'm
That
ready.
dinky little thing. Yo, I am.
Keep going right.
sold
Let's
my
go
soul.
left.
Yo, what's
Honeybee's
up,
going
Odyssey?
left.
That's Odyssey. He's my buddy.
Yeah, we gotta follow Honeybee.
Oh my god, actually.
Just gotta
yeah,
follow that guy. He always
that's
knows where
kinda
he's going.
concerning.
Yeah. He knows what's up.
Yo, Odyssey,
Yeah.
we can talk this out, dude. Space Kitty, I know you can hear me.
Let's
Where's
do this,
Honeybee?
guys. Let's
Get
win.
ready.
Let's
Yo,
win the
this is
game.
a party.
Go.
Alright. Look.
Find you.
There's a guy.
Hurry up and have 2 people die. I'm trying to respawn.
What?
2 more people need to die. I want to respawn. No, 1 person now.
Maybe you should stop dying.
Come back here, you little fuck. Come here. You just want to die.
Yo, Space Kitty.
Hey, what's up?
Did they kill you too?
Nah, I killed all of them.
You killed all of them?
Yep.
What the fuck? We had a deal.
No,
They were gonna
told
give
me
us
to
a
do it.
free drone. They were gonna give us a free drone.
Guys, we got 0 waves, okay?
They told me to do it.
Let's try to do it. Let's try to get this one.
Ah, man.
No, they didn't.
I've been framed.
Yo. Enemy team. Enemy team, I'm unarmed. I'm unarmed.
Got him. Got him.
Passive, where you at? I'm up, yeah, I'm up on top of C right now. I'm like on the stairwell. Wait, are you over here? Yeah, there's one other guy. Did he blow you guys up? Wait, I'm downstairs. Oh, I'm right behind you, I think. Yeah, I'm right here. Yeah, he told me, I was like, are they still with you? And then he's like, no, I killed all of them. I was like, what the fuck, dude? Yeah, wait, yeah, hang on. Wait, can you hear me? Teammate, don't kill this guy, don't kill this guy in here. He's in the corner over here, he's a good guy. I'll protect you. We got wait. There's 2, wait, there's only 1 guy upstairs.
Oh.
2 of them, actually.
Where was he? Jesus.
On your team? Oh shit, it's actually a close game. Stay behind me, Oh my god.
Yeah, dude.
Honeybee!
Yo.
Wait, hang on. I'm gonna have you come with me.
Is Kyron still here? I mean,
Yeah. They don't know where you're at. They don't know
What?
where you're at.
what? Dude.
Do not kill
What?
this guy, he is my friend.
Yo, who
Space.
just played Cosmic
Do not
Castaway?
kill him. He is my friend.
What?
He's my friend.
Someone just played Cosmic
I found him and
Castaway.
he is mine.
What is that?
Treasure Planet, dude.
Oh, that's not no.
Yeah, it was.
That's Titan and
If
Eve.
you don't back off with
Oh,
that knife.
yeah. My bad. Ah!
Yo, kill Space.
Dude,
He's a
Titan
traitor.
AE.
He's a traitor.
Still
1v1 on Rust.
pretty
1v1
solid
on
movie.
Rust. Yo, follow me. Follow me. They're going crazy. Let's go. Yeah, do it. Wait. Okay, he's peeking. There's somebody cheating.
Yeah.
Each other in the building.
His own thing.